What's the dog say?
A duck.
A dog? Puppy.
Puppy.
What's a puppy say?
Oh.
What's a monkey say?
Oh.
Good job. What's a crow say? Good job. What's a sheep say? Good job. What does a cat say?
Meow.
What's a duck say?
Quack.
Good job. What does a cow say?
Moo.
Good job. What's an elephant say? Good job. What does a horse say? Neigh. What's an owl say? What's grandma say?
No.
What's a snake say? Good job.
Good job. What else do we know?
A lion?
Lion goes. What's a monster say? Oh, you scared me. Yeah. What's an alligator say? Good job. How about a fish? Good job. Can you say fish like this in sign language? How can you say drink
Sweet.
in sign language? Like this. Drink.
Sweet.
Good job. How about more? You say more? You need. Where's your ear? Where's your ear?